Hi guys, my name is Diamond and today I'm going to teach you how to play guitar. So the first thing you need is a guitar. So go get your guitar. Okay, let's get started. So if you haven't seen my first video, I recommend going to watch it because I teach you the foundations about fingers, strings, and frets. So don't watch this until you watch my first video about your guitar foundations. So today I'm going to teach you something new and something very easy called power chords. Power chords. Before I teach you this, I have to teach you this. Now when you're playing power chords, you can do two things. You can do this with two notes or two strings, or you can do this, which is my personal favorite, is use your thumb and your index and pluck. That is my personal favorite. So now that you know how to pluck your power chords, whichever option, now let's learn some power chords, very easy ones. So a very easy one is this. You get your finger one. Like I said, if you didn't watch the foundations video, go watch it so you can understand what I'm talking about. Put your finger one on string number 5 and on fret number 2 and just pluck your 5th and 6th twice. Now the next one, you just put your finger down one string to string number 4. Now you pluck 4 and 5. Twice, of course. So you actually repeat that. Go back up, then down. There you go, and that is your first sequence. Okay, next one is gonna be a little bit harder, maybe. Is you put your finger 1 on fret 3, string 6, and finger 3. I almost forgot what my fingers were. Finger 3 on fret 5 of string 5. And you pluck those two. Can you see? And perfect. Try again. 3 and 5. Now, this is very important, so listen carefully. Do not move your fingers, but move your hand. And you're just going to go down one string each. So now your finger is going to be on string 5 of fret 3 and string 4's fret number 5. And you're going to pluck 5 and 4. Does that make sense? If that doesn't make sense, go back or comment below about what you're confused about and I will help you. Now go back up, pluck it twice, go down, and up again, and just like that. So our first section should be, it is going to be our first power chords. Then after that, move to our next part. Okay, so it should all sound like this. There you go. That is your power chords. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, please like it so I know that this is quality content. And if you want to try something or you want to learn something, just comment below and let me know. Also, subscribe if you want. I don't know. I'm not forcing you or anything. It's a choice, you know. And yeah, but definitely make sure to comment so I know if this was too easy or too hard for beginners and what else you'd like to learn, or if I went too fast or too slow, so I can give you more things to learn in the future. So keep on rocking. I hope that you continue practicing becoming rock stars. Bye.